This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix black screen issue in PUBG on iPhone. So whenever you launch the PUBG app, you see the black screen issue. Don't worry. You can fix this issue in just few steps. So the first solution is update the PUBG app. To do that, go to your app store and search for PUBG. If you see any update available, then update the PUBG app and then check the issue. And the second solution is offload the PUBG app. Open your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, tap on PUBG, offload the app and reinstall it from here and then check the issue. The third solution is free up your iPhone storage. Go to settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and if your iPhone storage is almost full, try to free up your iPhone storage by offloading or uninstalling unnecessary apps from here and then check the issue. And the last solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.